Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Chappu's Chops. I'm your host Chappu. You can also call me Jayanti. So today I'm going to show you how to make another rice dish called Kadhi and Khichdi. Kadhi is like a soup made out of diluted yogurt, gram flour, some spices, and serve hot. Khichdi is a dish made with a mixture of rice and lentil, boiled and cooked together. Khichdi is easy to digest and simple dish that is usually made for small children, the elderly, and people that are sick. Don't worry, though I am not going to make that version. I am going to show you how to make masala khichdi, which definitely has a kick to it and tastes much better than regular khichdi. You can pair it with kadhi or you can just make the khichdi on its own. It's up to you. So let's not waste any more time and get chopping. To make our khichdi, we are going to need some rice and any kind of dal. I am using moong dal for this recipe. The proportion for this recipe are 1 to 3. So if you are using 1 portion of rice, you are going to need 3 portion of dal. As you know from my other videos, I like to soak dal and rice to save time on cooking. So here I have my dal and rice soaked together. We will be cooking this rice and dal mixture in the Insta pot. And for our tadka, we will need some green chilies, garlic and ginger paste, some salt, some ghee. We will also need some chopped onion, a tomato, 1 bay leaf, 1 big red chili, and coriander for garnishing. Today I am going to use Kitchen King masala along with my other masala. If you don't have this, you can skip it. And for my tadka, I will be using mustard seeds, cumin seeds as well. So let's go make our khichdi. I'm going to make this recipe in my Insta pot. You can cook this in a pressure cooker as well. So I'm going to heat saute here and wait for my Insta pot to heat up. Once my Instant pot has heated up, let's add about 6 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to add a teaspoon of cumin, teaspoon of mustard seeds, the bay leaf and the red chili. Cook this for a few seconds and be careful not to burn it. Next, add the onion, mix it in, then add some salt and mix that into. A few minutes later, once your onion are transparent, let's add our dry spices. Add 4 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder, half tablespoon of Kitchen King masala. Mix all of it in. Add 1 tablespoon of green chili, garlic and ginger paste and mix it all in. Add the chopped tomato and some salt and let it cook for a couple of minutes. Okay, we are back. I just wanted to show you the mixture in between. So what I made become a little dry. So I had to add about 1 cup of water. Okay, 4 minutes have passed. So the one thing that I wanted to show you guys is that right before you put the rice and dal mixture into your tadka, use your hands to break up the rice and the dal a little bit. This will give your khichdi the textures that you want. Once you put it in, add about 2 cups of water, add some salt as per your taste, mix everything and cover it up. The khichdi has begun boiling, so now I am going to add some ghee, coriander, and now we are going to cover it up and pressure cook it up. I need this to cook for about 20 minutes. See you guys in 20 minutes. Okay, so it's been 20 minutes. Let's open up our khichdi and check on it. Wow, looks like it's come out perfectly. This is the consistency you are looking for. You want it to be a little more wet than dry. I'm going to add some more ghee and your khichdi is done. Now that our khichdi is done, let's make our curry. To make curry, you will need some plain yogurt, chickpea flour, salt, grated onion, green chili, garlic and ginger paste. All the spices we use for our khichdi and some fenugreek leaves and some water. First, let's add some water in a bowl. Add about 1 cup. Next, let's add 4 tablespoons of gram flour and about 2 cups of yogurt. Then whisk this well with your whisk. Okay, let's go to the stove now and start cooking our curry. We'll start with 4 tablespoons of ghee. Add some mustard seeds, some cumin seeds. As soon as this start popping, add 2 tablespoons of green chili, garlic and ginger paste. Stir well, cook well. As the chili garlic paste is cooked, add grated onion and cook it until you see the oil coming out of the side. Now then, everything is cooked. Let's add a little bit of water. Then put the yogurt and gram flour mixture that we made earlier and mix everything in. Add 1 tablespoon of turmeric. After cooking it for about 5 minutes, this is what it's going to look like. Keep mixing everything and add some more water if they start getting too thick. Curry is supposed to be a little thick. We are looking for a soup-like consistency. I'm going to add some curry leaves. If you have some, throw them in. At this point, they add a great flavor to your curry. If you don't have them, you can skip it. Lastly, let's add our fenugreek leaves, and there you have it. Our curry is done. Okay, so let's plate our khichdi. Wow, this looks delicious. As you can see, the consistency is thick and moist. I'm going to add the red chili on top as a garnish, and let's put our curry in as well. So, there you have it. What did you think of it? Please let me know in the comment section below. I'm sure you guys eat out a lot fast food, fusion foods, and food that generally unhealthy. So when you are tired of eating all of that, make this dish. Your tummy will give you a thumbs up. And when that happens, you can give me thumbs up too. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. It'll help me a lot. And lastly, for our next video, we will be making chicken samosas for all you meat eaters out there. So I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.